Did you know that the Samsung S24 Ultra has a peak brightness of up to 2000 nits? That means you can see it clearly even in direct sunlight. The Samsung S24 Ultra has been making waves in the smartphone market, and for good reason. Its display is one of the most talked about features, and today we're going to put it to the test. We're going to dive deep into what makes this display so special and whether it lives up to the hype. The Samsung S series has been around for a while, and over the years, we've seen some incredible advancements in display technology. From the early days of LCD screens to the latest dynamic AMOLED displays, Samsung has consistently pushed the boundaries. The S24 Ultra is the latest flagship, and it's clear that Samsung has outdone itself. This phone is not just another smartphone, it's a powerhouse of technology. What makes its display stand out is the combination of high resolution, high refresh rate, and incredible brightness levels. Samsung is a leading tech manufacturer that's been innovating for decades. The S series has been a cornerstone of their lineup, always showcasing the best of what they have to offer. The S24 Ultra's display is a marvel of modern technology. With a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels, it offers an incredibly sharp and clear picture. The refresh rate of up to 120 Hz makes for smooth scrolling and transitions. Whether you're browsing through social media or playing fast-paced games, the display keeps up seamlessly. Brightness levels are another area where the S24 Ultra excels. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, it's easily visible even in direct sunlight. One of the standout features of the S24 Ultra's display is its use of dynamic AMOLED technology. This allows for a wide range of colors and incredible contrast. The display also supports HDR10+, providing a more immersive viewing experience. But what about potential downsides? One concern with OLED displays is the possibility of burn-in. However, Samsung has implemented several measures to mitigate this issue. In real-world use, I've found the display to be stunning. Whether I'm watching videos or browsing through apps, the colors are vibrant and the text is crisp. I've also noticed that the high refresh rate makes a big difference in day-to-day use. Scrolling through social media feels smooth, and animations are fluid. Another advantage of the S24 Ultra's display is its color accuracy. The S24 Ultra's display isn't without its flaws, though. Some users might find the high brightness levels a bit too much for their liking. The display on the S24 Ultra is undoubtedly one of its strongest features. Comparing the S24 Ultra to other high-end smartphones, it's clear that Samsung has set a new standard. The iPhone 14 Pro, for example, has a fantastic display, but it can't quite match the S24 Ultra's brightness levels. The Google Pixel 7 Pro also has a great display, but its refresh rate isn't as high. In my personal experience, the S24 Ultra's display has enhanced my daily usage significantly. Watching videos on the phone is a joy, and the display makes it feel like I'm watching on a much larger screen. Playing games is also a great experience, with the high refresh rate and quick response time. The display's color accuracy is also a big plus for me, as someone who values true-to-life colors. In conclusion, the S24 Ultra's display is truly exceptional. I'd give it a rating of 9.5 out of 10, with the only downside being potential burn-in issues. If you're in the market for a new smartphone and value a great display, the S24 Ultra is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in more smartphone reviews, be sure to check out my other video on the latest iPhone. Or, if you've had a chance to try out the S24 Ultra, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable in helping me create more content that you care about. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.